All right, today we're going to do a demo on this large Okamoto model 125 PSG. Machine is currently wired for 220 volts, and you see here we have it up and running. We got OS Walker remote chuck control over there, and on the far back side there we've got the power supply for that. Here you've got the grinding wheel and machine controls manually. We can move the table left and right and the column in and out. You also have a manual pulse generator here that you can pick up and use this to come down, and you reset your number here, and that readout on the top as well as the readout down here go to 0, and you can use this to come down and touch off your workpiece. It's got a 10x and also a 1x, which is very fine. It's in the millions. Come right down there and touch off your part. Controls for the machine are all mounted in the front here. We've got the hydraulics on right now, so I should be able to start the table going. And we do have this just sitting on some wood blocks. Well, it bounces around a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and reset this. And you know, you've got to wrap it up and down here with your rapid feed or incremental feed. You can turn on your different grinding modes, either traverse grinding or plunge grinding 1 and 2. Now 1 and 2 is whether it feeds on both sides or one side. Go ahead and start up the grinding wheel somewhere right there. You've got a dresser mounted above the wheel there that you control with this dial here, this control lever there. So you've got various knobs here to select a cycle. So let's just say we want to do a plunge grind. We have these dials set up here a certain way. I'm going to put this in my sizing thing here. Let's see. Put in 10 thousandths. And we go down thousandths each time to 8, 7, to 6, 5. When we get down to 1,000ths, we're going to switch to feeding in tenths. Right now. And we're at 0. We're going to make the spark out passes. And then the park. Okay, so we can get that going again. This time I'll do a traverse grind. Traverse grind, where are you? Right there. And we give the step and a direction for it to go. Where is that? Oh, there you go. And we put the program in here. You've put in 4 thousandths. And we can start feeding that. So each time the table goes back and forth, the wheel steps in. You mount it, it steps in, or the distance that it travels, you set here with your pointers. And when it reverses, we just took 1 thousandths off our part, went from 4 thousandths to 3 thousandths. When we reverse in the rear, we'll feed down again. Now we've got 2 thousandths. And 1 thousandths left. Now we start to feed it the tenths. Now we reach 0 and we make our empty spark out passes. And it'll continue like that until the time is up, in which time it will park itself. Usually goes there and back, and there and back again if you have it on 2, which is what I have it on. So that's the Okamoto 125 PSG. And that's the spark out. And that's the end of the cycle. Thank you very much.